Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, consider changing your password notification on Windows 11. First method is change user properties. Second method is change local security policy settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.